Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex market analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focused on the dollar index and the New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just at forexfactor.com, just want to review the news items coming out in relation to the New Zealand dollar that I'm reviewing today. Now, the big one for the week would be on Wednesday. So at 12 noon, these are New South Wales time, we got the New Zealand official cash rate, policy statement, rate statement, expecting 50 base point rise there, and then at 1 p.m. we got the RB NZ press conference, so highly volatile at that time. Then moving on into the day, 10:30 p.m. for the US side, core retail sales and retail sales at 10:30. Into the early morning of Thursday, 4 a.m. we've got the US FOMC meeting minutes being released. And then a tentative one on Friday, New Zealand RBNZ statement of intent. And other than that, those are probably the items that could affect the New Zealand dollar as we move through the week. Alright, with that in mind, let's get to the charts. First up, we'll have a look at the dollar index. Alright traders, on the dollar index, I'm on the monthly chart, just going to squash it in a bit just so you can see that. We have tested some monthly resistance from back in time, back in around about 2000. 108.09 and then 109.24, and we've withdrawn down from that level. And notably, if you have a look at your charts, we just did trade just below last month's low and then reversed back up. MACD's up, high tops and bottoms here on the monthly, so we've just managed to have a month down. Are we now moving back up? The weekly chart is just going to show you the same kind of story. High tops and bottoms, we're pulling back. We've kind of had a 62% fib retracement. Looks very similar to what's been happening on the pairs to the US dollar. About a month down, just short of the 62 level. And it's pulled back to this weekly level of support here at 105.02. Alright, and then the day chart's just starting to show you that maybe it's going to move back up to a higher top, and then we're looking for a higher bottom, and I'm guessing a progressive move back up. The US dollar has just had a 1 month corrective phase in all probability, and it's going to come back up and retest these monthly resistance levels, enough to see what the dollar index can do at those levels. Alright, so with that in mind, seeing a little bit of US dollar strength coming back to the market, so pairs to the US dollar should be seeing weakness. So with that in mind, let's drop into the New Zealand dollar now. Alright traders, on the New Zealand dollar monthly chart, first of all, monthly support here at 62.04, monthly resistance at 65.27. Now we're in a downtrend showing lower tops and bottoms. We're having a month up, so it's the inverse look of the dollar index that's been having a month down. MACD's crossed down, so we're in a downtrend having a 1 month rally, just fading short of monthly resistance at 65.27 at the moment. Alright, so trend is down. Maybe we're just going to have 1 month up before we start to move down again. Let's drop it down to the weekly chart. Weekly chart trend is down. We're just having a corrective rally, lower top, lower bottom. I do note the MACD is up, but that's probably just reacting to price action. Now, weekly resistance is up here at 65.76. Support's down here, 60.47. I always like to put the exact numbers in. Alright, so we've been having a rally back up, and what I've noticed is if you draw a fib from high to low across the weekly range, then we've held at the moment at the 79% level, which is at 64.62. Alright, I'll just take that off for the moment, but notably we're failing maybe at the 79% retracement level. Alright, dropping down to daily. On the daily chart, we're seeing an uptrend. We did get some form of support here at 62.04 monthly support to move up to that higher top. Now resistance We're holding at daily resistance up here at 64.60. And yesterday we traded down to daily support 63.52. Now whilst we're just in rally mode on the monthly chart, weekly chart, we are in an uptrend on the day, so we could still move higher up. However, as I showed you just before, we're potentially failing at the 79% level, which overlaps with daily resistance, so there's a confluence of resistance there. And I'm anticipating that we may be putting in a lower top there now on the weekly chart, at least, for a move back down to retest monthly support at 62.04, and can we move down further to give a test of 60.46, that newly formed weekly support level down there. So we've got the interest rate decision on Wednesday. I'm not going to be doing anything ahead of then, but after the interest rate decision, what I'm looking for is hopefully, just going to drop down to the 4-hour chart, hopefully price action. Get my drawing tool in here. We've obviously moved down here at the moment. I won't know where price will be come Wednesday, but let's say it maybe drifted down a little bit more. When we get the interest rate decision, what I'm looking for is, can price have some kind of corrective rally up? Might be back up to a 62% level, a 79% level of this range here. Does it then hold and fail? I want to put in a lower top on the 4-hour chart. If it can, I'm going to drop down to a 15-minute chart and look for an entry to get in. For a move down, as I was saying, to trade down, first of all test 62.04 monthly support, and if that level can break, to trade down and test weekly support at 60.46. Alright traders, so after the news event on Wednesday, the interest rate decision, looking to sell a rally on the 4-hour chart for a move down in line with the overall weekly downtrend. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Want a real opportunity to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper in his free Forex educational webinar series and take a real step in becoming a better trader. The upcoming webinars for this week: 16th of August, Forex trading, live market analysis. 17th of August, trading the 79% fib retracement pattern across different time frames. He will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss and profit target levels, and show you how to create risk to reward targets greater than 1 to 4, finishing with a specific live chart exercise to cement your learning. 18th of August, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Duncan will analyze the trend, support and resistance and use Fibonacci retracements to identify high probability trading levels on the major currency pairs. 7 p.m. Sydney time. Follow the link below for the full schedule and join for free.